Hello, everyone. Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring the world's most amazing wonders and see if I can experience them all in one epic adventure. From the Great Wall of China to the Taj Mahal, these ancient structures have stood the test of time, weathering natural disasters, human intervention, and the passage of centuries. Let's start our journey with Taj Mahal, Agra, India. This immense mausoleum was built on the orders of Shah Jahan, the fifth Muslim Mughal emperor, to honor the memory of his beloved late wife. Built out of white marble and standing in formally laid out walled gardens, the Taj Mahal is regarded as the most perfect jewel of Muslim art in India. The emperor was consequently jailed, and, it is said, could then only see the Taj Mahal out of his small cell window. Christ Redeemer, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This statue of Jesus stands some 38 meters tall, atop the Corcovado mountain overlooking Rio de Janeiro. Designed by Brazilian Heitor da Silva Costa and created by French sculptor Paul Landowski, it is one of the world's best-known monuments. The statue took 5 years to construct and was inaugurated on October 12, 1931. It has become a symbol of the city and of the warmth of the Brazilian people, who receive visitors with open arms. Great Wall of China, China. The Great Wall of China was built to link existing fortifications into a united defense system and better keep invading Mongol tribes out of China. It is the largest man-made monument ever to have been built, and it is disputed that it is the only one visible from space. Many thousands of people must have given their lives to build this colossal construction. Machu Picchu, Peru. In the 15th century, the Incan Emperor Pachacutec built a city in the clouds on the mountain known as Machu Picchu, Old Mountain. This extraordinary settlement lies halfway up the Andes Plateau, deep in the Amazon jungle and above the Urubamba River. It was probably abandoned by the Incas because of a smallpox outbreak, and, after the Spanish defeated the Incan Empire, the city remained lost for over 3 centuries. It was rediscovered by Hiram Bingham in 1911. Petra, Jordan. On the edge of the Arabian desert, Petra was the glittering capital of the Nabatean Empire of King Aretas IV, 9 BC to 40 AD. Masters of water technology, the Nabatean provided their city with great tunnel constructions and water chambers. A theater, modeled on Greek-Roman phototypes, had space for an audience of 4,000. The palace tombs of Petra with the 42 meters high Hellenistic temple facade on the El Dir Monastery are impressive examples of Middle Eastern culture. Pyramid at Chichen Itza, Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico. Chichen Itza, the most famous Mayan temple city, served as the political and economic center of the Mayan civilization. Its various structures, the Pyramid of Kukulkan, the Temple of Chacmul, the Hall of the Thousand Pillars, and the playing field of the prisoners, can still be seen today and are demonstrative of an extraordinary commitment to architectural space and composition. The pyramid itself was the last, and arguably the greatest, of all Mayan temples. Roman Colosseum, Rome, Italy. This great amphitheater in the center of Rome was built to give favors to successful legionnaires and to celebrate the glory of the Roman Empire. Its design concept still stands to this very day, and virtually every modern sports stadium some 2,000 years later still bears the irresistible imprint of the Colosseum's original design. Today, through films and history books, we are even more aware of the cruel fights and games that took place in this arena, all for the joy of the spectators. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos about incredible places around the world.